Saya activities sa Catropolis MCs. These birds can be found in Eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Let's go, Chaco! There you go! The show has officially started. A round of applause for Chaco with trainer Birdie. Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Francis. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these silver cups. Where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or here in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Alright, so let's put it right here. Now, let's go in our sighting bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super-crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatuan. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and Filipino seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and well, if yes, say you can do it, Dazzle! Go, Dazzle! I need an object for us! For Dazzle with Trainer Vina! Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of wing-wing macaws. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. First, the girls. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear your cheer. Sassy, Sassy. Very good. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear your cheer. Rocky, Rocky. Very well. So, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky on his first ball. First ball for Sassy, followed by Rocky. And second ball for Sassy, followed by basketball. Who's gonna win? Sassy wins! What a close game! Trainer Vince, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, he wants another race, Trainer Mikey.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Rocky to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Rocky will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about our ring race.
And what is our ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the pass is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So, our ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that girls already have 1 point. So boys, let's cheer louder for Rocky to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky on his first ring. First for Rocky! Hey, what's can you say about that? 3 wings at the same time!
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated!
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Of course! Now, to round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with trainer Mikey and trainer Vince. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we are continuing to enhance their skills and not get bored. So, here is Sassy, our green wing couple, and today she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shapes back into the correct slots. Just like Sassy, green wing couple are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnorophila. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, and minerals around the riverbanks. And for the last shape, go fast girl! And there you go! Intelligent rise around! For Sassy with trainer Mikey! Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of our program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? Well, before we call in our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? Alright, so the first number is number 7. How about the second number? Alright, so the second number is number 19. So the equation is 7 plus 19. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Ferdy will shuffle the numbers. Now, let's go in our hybrid macaw, Rocky. Trainer Vince, is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky, solve the equation for us. And he gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets number 2. So 7 plus 19 equals 26. A round of applause for Rocky with trainer Vince. This time, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be our lucky volunteer for today, just raise your hands up and we will choose one. Once again, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Alright, I think we got one. You will notice that the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have a very good memory that can remember even the smallest detail. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Sir, first off, what is your name?
Amit,
A round of applause for our volunteer, Mr. Amit. Now, sir, may I have your 500 peso bill? And kindly follow me here in front. Sir, all you have to do is stand here in front, over here, facing this way, and extend your left arm just like this as I put your money between your fingers. Now, sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Let's see. Now, let's call in our money bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Mulugan Kakadu. Oh, Buddy flies he gets the money and flies back. And I think, buddy, that's the maker of money! A round of applause for our donor! Sir, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds?
I didn't know.
Well, now you know, and your money will be in good hands. We are very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about 1,000 pesos this time? Come on, guys, one more. Jeremy, are you okay? Are you sure? Why do you look so sad? Those are our destiny. It's all part of our show. Please come back here in front and we'll give your money back. Come on, sir. Sir, Buddy is saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Wonderful. Now stand here in front. Look at the camera and over your cheek. And just a trivia for you guys, Bulukan cockatoos like Buddy are also called salmon-breasted cockatoos. It is because of the salmon pink color that compromises most of their head breasts. Next one, sir. Now look at the camera and over your cheek. Another one. How about on your hand? Just open your palm and look at the camera. Smile. Oh, buddy, that's so sweet of you. And there is your money. A round of applause for our volunteer and Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors. Hunt and feed like other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beak. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Presenting our comedy guide, here comes Speed. Comedy guides are selected by our excellent studios. One important reconnaissance birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, all over China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadows. They are locally known as Nawi or Batno in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens. Wow, so cute. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons that are meaning homing abilities, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our raptors, our chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's our lovely birds once again, and they will show us the proper ways disposal. Let's go, buddy! Easy, right? So if the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got.